Vocabulary quiz for the TOEFL students, 25 questions, one topic. Let's go. Question number 1. She was known for her dash. She never lied or cheated. Honesty. The scientists presented a dash argument supported by ample evidence. Sound argument. The company is looking to dash new technology to stay competitive. Adopt new technology. His speech was so dash that everyone was moved to tears. Option C. They hope to dash the new product by the end of the year. Launch. The manager's decision was seen as dash by the employees. Arbitrary. The forest is home to a dash variety of species: single, diverse, scanty or rare. Diverse. The dash of the ancient ruins fascinated the archaeologists. Discovery. The dash report detailed the company's financial status. Comprehensive report. The professor's lecture was dash and difficult to follow. Confusing. They dash the house to make it more energy efficient. Renovated. The artist's work was dashed by the critics and fans alike. Celebrated. He was able to dash his fear of public speaking through practice. Conquer. The dash climate of the region affects the agriculture. Harsh. The new law aims to dash the environmental regulations. Strengthen. The witness provided a dash account of the events. Detailed. The CEO's dash leadership has guided the company through tough times. Visionary. The proposal was met with dash from the committee members. Support. The novel's dash plot kept readers engaged until the last page. Intricate. The team worked hard to dash the project before the deadline. complete. She has a dash ability to understand complex problems quickly. Remarkable. The dash ceremony marked the beginning of the new academic year. Opening ceremony. The politician's dash speech did not convince the audience. Unconvincing. The chef's new recipe was an dash success. Resounding. The dash weather caused many flights to be cancelled. Adverse weather. Thank you for watching. You can watch these videos next and don't forget to like and subscribe.